My name is Trine Lillenes Neverman. I'm a drilling engineer working in Aker BP. I'm in the drilling and wells improvement and performance team, responsible for the time and cost estimation process. It's been a journey, but as a result of close collaboration with the AGR Software implementation team, we're really starting to see the benefits using plans. I would like to highlight the introduction of API, enabling data transfer between systems. Secondly, that the time estimation is done on the activity set, following the well through its life cycle. And thirdly, the possibility to do campaign modeling. Yggdrasil is an extremely important project for Aker BP. It consists of several fields, and we decided to use one of the fields as a pilot for plans modeling. The workspace included 4 development wells to be drilled in 2 drilling campaigns. It's been quite time-consuming to make plans applicable for such a complex case, but once the foundation was in place, it was easy to duplicate and adjust the workspaces for the remaining fields. It is of high value. We built our models on predefined variables to ensure consistency across our teams and assets. The use of standardized predefined variables also provides the opportunity to further connect data to other systems through API. Connecting plans to other systems is key for Aker BP, enabling end-to-end data flow. It simplifies the daily work, it reduces the risk for human error entering the same data into different systems, and it improves the data quality. This is the future. We have assigned asset champions to ensure consistency across the teams and assets. The feedback from the users so far is very positive, and with close collaboration with the AGR Software implementation team, I'm sure the engineers will see the benefits using plans.